So Jeff spends 1/2 of his paycheck. Then he gives 1/3 of the remainder to a charity. How nice. And puts the rest in a bank. In the bank, I should say. What fraction of his paycheck does he put in the bank? What I've gotten here is I did the given of he spends half his paycheck, and I did a draw for half his paycheck. Yeah, absolutely. Grab a different color pen, right? And here's your remainder. So I'm going to cut this into thirds. So I'm doing 1/3 of a half, right? It's 1/3 of a half, right? He gives 1/3 of the remainder, and if he spent half, then that's another given. 1/3 of 1/2 is going to a charity. How nice of Jeff. What a good guy. So I'm going to color in this one right here, because that's really the amount that he puts into the charity. And then look at this. This is gone. This is spent. This is the half that he spent, right? I'm going to do that in green. He gives 1/3. So what's left is this little spot over here. I'm going to do the what's left in red. That's what's left. 2 units. Yeah, I'm doing great. I don't sound great, but I'm hanging in there. I've got a team of friends here, and they're going to tell me what the math algorithm is to match my drawing. What is it, Mia? 1/2 times 1/3, because it's 1/3 of 1/2. And we know that of means what, Haley?
Multiplication.
So it's 1/3 times 1/2. All right, Riley Jane, can we cross cancel? No. All right, so what's going to be my product of numerators, Riley Jane?
So 1 times 1 is 1.
All right, and then Mia, what's 3 times 2? So my answer is 1/6 of his paycheck went into the bank. So I would write that down. Jeff deposits 1/6 of paycheck. Understatement, good. Into bank. Oh, I can't write because it's NK. NK, okay? And that's my statement. Now it's really hard to write on here, but if I was on paper, it would be much neater. I did my draw, I did my math, I did my given, I did my statement, and my draw is up here. And if you look at it, let's see. If you look at it, I'm going to make this bigger again. Doesn't it look like this is the section that we're talking about right here? Doesn't it look like 1/6? Does. So my draw matches everything else. There's my problem. Thanks for your help, ladies.